The Model 4375 is a high-capacity, American-made wide belt sander that is ideal for a busy shop that requires more width capacity than our 37-inch model. Its 43 by 75-inch belt has 25% more abrasive surface than the Model 3760. Has a fully adjustable platen and a variable speed DC-powered conveyor table. Its rugged 2.5-inch pinch rollers, 4.5-inch idler rollers, and 5.25-inch contact roller combined with a 10, 20, or 30 horsepower motor make it a production workhorse. An optional digital readout, hour meter, and power lift table are available on this unit for increased precision and productivity.